Jamaica's worst gamer. You lack everything, reaction and everything. Tell them no try nothing, star. If them disrespect and check, say ya go blur. When them violate the listen me, no man, drop it in them. Eddie, no man.
Yo. What is up, Jamaica's gamer here with another reaction? Woo! And today, guys, we are with Deva Bratt. Yes, man, the Brat himself with bullets and prayers. Bullets and prayers. Bomba.
Come in a Farid.
I'm going to jump in that one and hear what the G said. The one upon the typhoon rhythm. So you see we react to the legal already. So this is the Deva Bratt time now. So let's jump in it and see what I say. Let's go. Actually.
Muffins. Head up in chickens. Boy. Head up in 7-Eleven.
Me hear one bag of yapping and chatting a guan till me papa and pan them corner with me glock in my palm. When the machine go turn on and the clap in a guan, you coulda be a Capricorn when me knock it you can. So when me do reserve them a bullet and a prayer, them no man and knock a the chopper the bat flyer. So reverse the earth.
Hold on. A badness.
One bag of yapping and chatting a guan till me papa and pan them corner with me glock in my palm. When the machine go turn on and the clap in a guan, you coulda be a Capricorn when me knock it you can. So when me do reserve them a bullet and a prayer, them no man and knock a the chopper the bat flyer. So reverse the earth, gunshot chop up it higher. How we a make it up in your blind see just fire up and rapid burst it a bus when it a wire make it clap like church and sing like choir. Boy get dirt cause I thought them brick wire palm to the transmission near just a check tire. Here one up instant dead. Them get me make a step with the tech and the 𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂. Them never hear when the rifle a bell check. Pull it like rain a fall. Do not get wet. People a run and a ball and a scream and all. Pour those bun down go and go ask next bet. Target done set fi run where your best bet. The killer them a race to kill you and the mark get set. Crucial I bring the fire like a ghost ride. Them boy them about them and go force ride. Like Adam and Noah some see them a pose like gunshot.
Second. Breaking down.
Head up in chickens.
Break down. Second.
One bag of yapping and chatting a guan till me papa and pan them corner with me glock in my palm.
So I'm saying I hear one bag of people a chat, one bag of tomatoes, artists, whatever you want to call them a chat. But wait till me papa and pan your corner with me glock in a palm. Pussy when I figure scatter like nine. And I figure scatter like scatter nine. Watch it.
Me hear one bag of yapping and chatting a guan till me papa and pan them corner with me glock in my palm. When the machine go turn on and the clap in a guan, you coulda be a Capricorn when me knock it you can.
That's a fire right there, right? That's a fire right there. Isn't 𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂 a Capricorn? 𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂 a Capricorn, right? I'm pretty sure 𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂 a Capricorn. Let me just do something quickly. Let me just check, cause you know I made a mistake, you know. You know what I made a mistake, you know. You know I made a mistake. So, 𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂 born January 7. So yes, 𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂 a Capricorn. Yes.
Me hear one bag of yapping and chatting a guan till me papa and pan them corner with me glock in my palm. When the machine go turn on and the clap in a guan, you coulda be a Capricorn when me knock it you can. So when me do reserve them a bullet and a prayer, them no man and knock a the chopper the bat flyer. So reverse the earth, gunshot chop up it higher. How we a make it up in your blind see just fire up and
how do you make it up in your blind see just fire? Hold on, man.
Muffins. Head up in
Hold on, man.
Boy.
Hold on, man. Me try dissect as most as we can right now.
me hear one bag of yapping and chatting a guan till me papa and pan them corner with me glock in my palm. When the machine go turn on and the clap in a guan, you coulda be a Capricorn when me knock it you can. So when me do reserve them a bullet and a prayer, them no man and knock a the chopper the bat flyer. So reverse the earth, gunshot chop up it higher. How we a make it up in your blind see just fire up and rapid burst it a bus when it a wire make it clap like church and sing like choir.
Man said man make it clap like church and sing like choir. Sweet music you hear, gospel.
Up and rapid burst it a bus when it a wire make it clap like church and sing like choir. Boy get dirt dirt, cause I thought them brick where you want to the transmission here, just a jet player.
Cargo get mines. Cargo get mines. Oh, me Mr. Part there. Wait. Me tell you something. I try to break down as much as we can, you know. Me tell you, I know. Listen again.
Just fire up and rapid burst. It a bus when it tower, you make it club like church and sing like choir. Boy, get dirt, cause I thought them brick where you want to the transmission here, just a jet player.
Want to that transmission here, just a jet Gaia. We know say cargo usually interlock locks. Yes. Then it's widely known that cargo usually lock in friend at the time acting locks as well. So you must say, I want to that transmission dread Gaia. Wait no man before that him say, yo, a dirt them put them in a dirt because of that them require. So 6'6".
Just fire up and rapid burst. It a bus when it tower, you make it club like church and sing like choir. Boy, get dirt, cause I thought them brick where you want to the transmission here, just a jet player. I wanna instant dead, them get me make a step with the tech on the 𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂.
Isn't cargo a Capricorn as well? I'm not 100% sure, but I think cargo is Capricorn too.
Wanna instant dead, them dead. Me make a step with the tech on the 𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂𝐂. Them never hear when the rifle a bell check. Pull it like rain a fall, do not get wet.
You never hear when the rifle a bell check, yeah? Yeah, bullet like rain a fall, do not get wet.
Them never hear when the rifle a bell check. Pull it like rain a fall, do not get wet. People are running a ball and a scream and all. Board us bun down, go and go ask Nesbeth.
Go all board us bun down, go and go ask Nesbeth. Him not style Nesbeth there, so he must big up Nesbeth there, so. All them board us bun down where them living now. Me board us bun down in a gang war what day. You know that's big song there from Nesbeth? Yeah, that's him a talk about this. All them boarders born down, go and go ask Nesbeth. Big up Nesbeth.
Where people are running a ball and a scream and all. Boarders born down, go and go ask Nesbeth. Target done set, fit run where your best bet. The killer them a race to kill you and the mark get set. Crucial I bring the fire like a ghost ride. Them boy them about them on the force ride.
Crucial I bring the fire like ghost ride. Ghost rider with the fire upon him head. Crucial I bring the fire like ghost ride.
Crucial I bring the fire like a ghost ride. Them boy them about them on the force ride. Like Adam in was summer so them a pose like gunshot bust boy belly force so tribe. Seggy when me kill Jeggy with the 4-5. Nazar run hot like fire take more life. Man I foot it and put it man don't drive. Farmer man your yard full of shit me clap it don't dive. When me man I foot it and put it man don't drive. Farmer man your yard full of shit me clap it don't dive.
Farmer man, him say farmer man, cargo again. Farmer man, your yard full of shit. When me clap it, don't dive, because you gotta dive and land in a shit pussy. Just turn up and take a gunshot them like a farmer that you are. That is what the G saying right here, not me. Cargo!
Don't drive, farmer man, your yard full of shit, me clap it, don't dive. When me tap that trigger, papa that pop bida. Man dark and fuck up like Cersei, me bida.
Bombo clat! Hoi trigger go!
Life, man I foot it and put it, man don't drive. Farmer man your yard full of shit, me clap it, don't dive. When me tap that trigger, papa that pop bida. Man dark and fuck up.
When me clap that trigger, top bida. Bombo clat!
Shit, me clap it, don't dive. When me tap that trigger, papa that pop bida. Man dark and fuck up like Cersei, me bida. Head bust pump pillar, boy head swell bigger. Curbside war, pick up the liver. Vibe the spade, pop off the dog, the berita. Lock it on the north side, fix it with the clipper. Double tape up the K, the big dipper. Junior rich and 100 straight, that grave digger. Black talent, talo pint and a lot tipper. Spit out of the clip and a pick out them head when it a spit up. The blue light pan in us, hold the rubber grip at 31 in a the clip and the whole light of his receiver.
Bombo clat! Every man a get can! Every man a get can! We don't hear Ira Khan yet, though. We don't hear Ira Khan yet. We don't hear Ira Khan yet. We hear the Capricorn line, that of the cartel. We hear Cargo line. We hear Shanstorm line here now. What going for Ira do we yet? The blue light pan in us, hold the rubber grip at 31 in a dick and the whole light of his receiver. Ira Bratt chest is man. See Ira name that too late. Me talk too soon. The man say, yo, everything like clip as a silver one. Him say, sieve them out.
Come in a foreign.
All right. Ira, your time now. Line up. Line up.
The blue light pan in us, hold the rubber grip at 31 in a dick and the whole light of his receiver. Ira Bratt chest is motherfucking bitch. I tell him take off him to make a stop and take a picture.
The man said take off your hat, Ira. The man said, take off your hat and make him snap and take a picture. The man said, your earline start at the back of your head. The man said, junker jar breaks in your head. The man said, you want your head to peel out like when Kara peel off pantaya. All right, let me say that. I never back.
Come in a Farid.
I think I went too far there, but carry on.
Spit up the blue light panina, so hold the rubber grip at 31 in a dick it pan the whole light of his silver. I brought chest this motherfucking bitch. I tell him take off him at make a stop and take a picture. My boss him head back when me pop off to the mission. Them fish have been no man apart them. So when me do
Man, so my boss him head back in the them bitch have been knows when I'm what?
My boss him head back when me pop off to the mission. Them fish have been no man apart them. So when me do reserve them a bullet and a prayer. Them no man a knock at the chopper the bat flyer. So reverse the earth gunshot chop up it higher. You make it up in your blind see just fire up and rapid burst it a bus when it tower you make it.
Oh, I'm construct that song, yeah. At one time, well, this is the second time now we are here the chorus. We the chorus at the start, and yeah, so.
Club like church and sing like choir. Boy get dirt cause I thought them brick where you want to the transmission near just a jet kaya. Here one now, instant dead them get. Me make a step with the tech and the Kel-Tech. Them ever hear when the rifle a bell check. Pull it like rain a fall, do not get wet. People are run on a ball and a scream and all. Pour those bun down, go and go ask next bet. Target done set fit run where your best bet.
Clat. Just when I thought the war was dying down, he's still in full effect. It is still moving on. It is still gathering. It is still gathering speed. It a pick up speed like a rolling kioff. Blood clot. So make we dissect what go on now. So, Deva Bratt bust up. The Capricorn line could have been for cargo too. I'm not sure if cargo or Capricorn or not. But it can go for cargo if cargo or Capricorn. But we definitely was Addy, a Capricorn can born January 7th. All right, boom. Moving forward along. Cargo get a con directly right there. Cargo get a direct con right there. What if a con? Transmission, here just a guy, rare, blah, blah. That time cargo the same attack. Farmer, in a yard, shit, and dive, and cargo him attack. Siva, him say, Siva get the whole 31 night clip, Sean Storm him attack. Him say, airline start at back and head. Ira like junker jar breaks in Ira head. Ira him attack. Crucial conflict attack. I know me. Typhoon rhythm. Blood clot. Typhoon rhythm. Let me know I want to think that I want to know that. Let me know I want to think that I want to know. Yo, producer, link up the other artists and send them the rhythm, please. So link up the other artists and send them the rhythm. I know say this is a juggling. I know say legal depend it so far. Deva Bratt depend it so far. And I think a couple more artists probably depend it as well. But the other artists them need to get the rhythm so them can voice too. You understand? Yeah, make the war nicer. Alright? But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comment section and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
Jamaica's verse gamer, you lack everything, reaction and everything. Tell them no try nothing, star. If them disrespect and check, say ya go blur. When them violate the listen me man, drop it in them. Eddie no man.